Hello, I'm Casey Kyler West with the Montana Department of Labor and Industry. In case you missed our announcement yesterday, we are happy to share that as of Wednesday morning, we are accepting unemployment insurance claims from the self-employed, independent contractors, and others that are part of the expanded eligible population under the Federal CARES Act program. This program, Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, assists individuals who traditionally don't qualify for unemployment insurance benefits. In addition to self-employed individuals, it also allows people whose employment has been affected by the COVID-19 in other ways, such as those who have been diagnosed with the virus, to be eligible for UI benefits. To apply for UI under the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance Program, you will need to follow these 3 easy steps. To begin, please gather your driver's license or state ID, wage records like 1099s, and your banking information. Then go to mtpua.mt.gov and click on Apply for Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. On the Sunday following the completion of your application, you can start to file your weekly payment request. For the first claim, it will take at least 7 to 10 days to process your application and, if approved, to remit payment. After the first approval, it should only take 2 to 3 days to send out payments following your weekly request. If you've created an account on Montana Works and filled out a claim request on that site, you will still need to go to mtpua.mt.gov and complete the steps I outlined. It won't take you long, the application is straightforward, and as you fill it out, you will see your progress toward completion. Keep following us on social media for the latest developments on Montana's coronavirus response. We want to thank you for continuing to do your part to keep our families and our communities safe during these challenging times. Together, we will get through this and back to work as soon as safely possible.